Hello, welcome to another segment of Cooking with What You Got. What are we planning today? I don't know. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, yeah, let's have some jamon serrano. I only have one slice, but that's okay. Let's do that. I'm gonna try to make eggs Benedict. A little bit of butter in the pot. It's medium high. Is the bread that has been cut to a round shape, and as you can see, it's nice and tender, it's soft, but I like to have it a little bit of crisp in the outside, so let's do that. Okay, our bread has been toasted. We're gonna include in here 4 tablespoons of butter, but let's include that there. Lower the heat. And this, I like to clarify the butter, so all that foam, I don't want. That's my preference, okay? You can keep it if you want to. This is the butter that has been clarified, and it has a very nutty flavor, butter-like nutty flavor, so this way, that's how I like it. You can choose not to do this step, but at least I'm showing you how to do it. At the bottom is all the fat. At the bottom of the is all the fat, which I don't want, and I just want the top part. The bottom part is basically lactose, okay? It's part of the milk. So you get 1 lemon. These are gonna be the ingredients for today, okay? We got butter, 2 eggs, potatoes, lemon, tomato, and spinach, green onions, and I don't know if I'm gonna use mushrooms, but we also have mustard and light cream, sour cream, okay? I have 1 lemon, and I always want to preserve the skin. So we're gonna shred the skin. All these pieces are so important for flavoring anything, sauces, even potatoes, so we'll do that as well. So we have the egg yolk right here. We're gonna put it together with the lemon zest and put a little bit of mustard. Here we go, a little bit of mustard, just a tiny squirt. We already squeezed about a teaspoon of lemon, about a teaspoon of sour cream, and then now the butter. We're gonna incorporate that. We're gonna add it little by little. Oh, we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Hold on. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. And we're gonna add that. And, yep, the butter is warm. There we go. Should be enough. Let's add a little bit of butter. We're gonna warm this up a little bit. So this, we're gonna warm it up a little bit. Okay. So I guess you can adjust it accordingly. And the reason why I wanna heat it up isn't low. It's because you still need to cook a little bit of the yolk. It's all in low, but take a look at how creamy. We need to get it a little bit on the thicker side without clumping, and that will be good. Let me see how it tastes. Wow, very nice, lemony. and buttery. If you don't have sour cream, okay, now see that? It's thickening. There you go. You just hit it enough, very lightly. More butter. There we go. And this you can buy anywhere. Anywhere. If you don't have it, that's okay. Don't worry about it. But I have it. I'm going to take advantage of it. There we go. Perfect. And we're going to cook it probably for, I would say, a minute, 2 minutes. Let's see. I want it over easy. The way it is, I think this is still raw. So let's put it back in the heat. Now, our sauce has thickened too much. Take a look. See that? Too thick. Let's add a little bit of hot water or warm, just a little bit. And let's mix it. A little bit more. Another, I would say a tablespoon. A tablespoon. Mix it. Yeah, I added too much, that's fine. Yeah. Now it's too runny. Don't worry about it. All you gotta do is maybe heat it up. Let's heat this up a little bit in the microwave. Meaning 5 seconds. We're gonna put the tomato. We're gonna put the egg. Instead of an eggs Benedict, we'll do an eggs over easy. And then now we're gonna put our hollandaise sauce on top. Yummy. That we just did with 1 egg. Green onions on top. We have some prosciutto and the potatoes. That's the morning breakfast with cooking with what you got. Delicious. The lemon zest that I place in the hollandaise sauce is phenomenal. Great freshness. And the potatoes are fantastic. Great texture. All the flavors of the spinach and the garlic and a little bit of the mushroom. Great. Well, thank you for watching, and remember, cooking with what you got. You got everything at home. You don't have to leave. Take care. Enjoy the day.